Hey guys, so one of the new map updates that we have for you is label on properties. So when you're on your screen, there's a little threefold map icon in the top right. You click on that, you enable the show label on property, then you tap that drop down menu and you can pick owner last name, owner full name, property address, or property address number. Whatever your heart desires, you click on. So I personally like the address number because it's easy for me to match up houses when I'm driving. So tap on that, exit out of the map options, and now all the address numbers will show and appear above the properties on your map. So it'll be really quick to add them and make sure you're getting the correct property. Happy deal finding.